Hey everyone, I'm here at Hogan's Beach Shop today. We're gonna check this out, see what we can find. It's just a quick little trip out today. Dee had to work, so I'm by myself. But I figure it's good to get out of the house for a little bit. So let's check this place out. So, Dee, if you're watching this, it's what you know. I'm trying my best. I am trying my very best not to buy anything. Alright everyone, that'll be it here for Hogan's Beach Shop. Hope you guys like what you saw. From what I'm told, he does come here every now and then. He haven't came here this year just because of COVID. But when everything opens back up, you might be able to see, you might be able to catch him here one day. Who knows? But until then, until next time, see you guys.